Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Wallet and locating the balance you want to clear. Make sure your device is updated and you're signed into the correct Apple ID. This prevents auth errors. If you plan to transfer out, have your linked debit account available now. Once done, tap the Apple Cash Card or Apple Card to view details so you can act immediately. This gets you to the actionable screens instead of wasting time in settings. You'll now choose how to move the money. Tap Transfer to Bank for Apple Cash or Pay Balance for Apple Card. Enter the exact amount you want to clear. Then pick Instant for a small fee if you need speed, or choose the standard 1-3 business day option to avoid fees. Make sure your bank is linked and verified. Authenticate with Face ID, Touch ID, or your passcode to finalize the transfer and prevent failed submissions. Finish by confirming the transaction status in Wallet and then in your bank account. The funds should appear per the timing you chose. If the transfer shows pending or failed, make sure your bank routing and account number are correct and that your identity verification completed. Retry with the standard option if Instant fails. If issues persist after bank processing windows, contact Apple support. Provide dates, amounts, and screenshots to speed resolution.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.